Good evening, friends. Uh, we're doing a fresh unboxing for the BlackBerry Classic White, a legendary device. I mean, people still love it, and I don't know how many people have seen the white, the actual white, the real original white. So, let's go. So that's the care package, which is just arrived from UK. That's from the DCC, and so let's see what's in it. Okay, so we have a BlackBerry Classic leather holster. That's the one you can attach to your belt. We have a BlackBerry leather pocket that's in white, so it's gonna be something different. We have the BlackBerry leather pocket in black, so that's the third one. And nevertheless, like all of these, we have the BlackBerry Classic in white. So let's just go ahead and unbox this. Let's keep this inside for a while. And there you go. Okay. So that's the BlackBerry Classic in white. Have a good look. This is the original BlackBerry Classic. It's not a refurb. It's not like any other devices in the market. This is the BlackBerry Classic original in white. Okay. Apart from that, we have a pin and we have the other accessories. So we're not really interested in that. Let's see the leather pockets. Well, this is in black. If you see here, that's the one in black. Then we have another one here which is in white and looks pretty premium. And it is in fact premium. You can compare both of these. So the white one is a little different, niche, classic as the device. It goes very well with the holster. BlackBerry Classic. I'm very excited about this. So let's talk about the BlackBerry Classic. BlackBerry Classic comes with 16 gigs of internal storage. It comes with a trackpad, which the Q10 does not have.